Hi guys, I'm Zach from Nerdworks Media, and in today's video we are going to be cleaning some of my engine bay pieces because as you can see, some of them are kind of grungy. So the plan for today is that we are going to be just cleaning up some of that, or I am right in saying we.
Oh no, bro!
That's basically just the plan for today. So yesterday my dad and I picked up some diesel because apparently that will help clean some of the grunge and stuff off. My dad's busy smiling at me. So yeah, that's basically the plan for today. Nothing much else to be said. I do apologize that all of this has kind of been time-lapse stuff. It just makes it easier for me to not document every little nut and bolt that I'm loosening, because I'm trying to get this done in a reasonable amount of time, but I am still trying to make a video out of it. And I feel like most of my viewers already kind of know what I am doing. Maybe not necessarily to the exact plug, but I'm not trying to make a guide. So I thought just a straight up time-lapse footage will do well enough. So speaking of time-lapses, let's go. So it is at some point, like, I don't know when last I actually filmed, to be honest with you. Basically, it's, I think the next week. I think I filmed on Friday last, yeah. So it's like the next week. As you can see, all of my parts are still out. I've attempted to clean that because there was literally like a thick layer like this of just mud at the bottom of that, or soot or oil or grease or whatever the hell you want to call it. So I'm going to give it another brush. There it is. I'm going to give it another brush, but I'm also going to use the steel brush for basically the oil pan, so I can try to get a lot of the grease off there, because I could not get anything off there. And then I'm going to use thinners on one or two of the pieces, so I can, well, basically just my valve cover, so I can take the red off, because I'm going to be respraying that so it's nice and pretty. That's about it. After I've like gotten all the grease off, then I'm just going to wipe down some of the pieces, because some of the pieces, everything is loose, it's just still kind of there, so I have to do that. Then I have to do my engine bay. I don't know if that's going to be a part of this video or the next video. Probably going to be another video, because I need to kind of stretch this out, because I'm going on holiday next week and I don't know if I have enough videos to cover it. So yeah, don't know what else to say really. I suppose let's get onto it and continue. Okay, and as you can see, now everything is at least mildly clean. There's one or two bits that still need a fair amount of work, but I've gotten it as clean as possible. As possible. There we go. Also landed up hitting my eye with a little bit of diesel, so if it's gone a little bit red, apologies. But yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean things. That's pretty much all this episode was. And I will see you guys next week where we clean some more things. So isn't that great? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, a huge thank you to my aunt for helping me afford everything yet again. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.